Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essential prerequisites. Your iPhone is up to date, and you have the card image or issuer details handy. Open Wallet and tap the plus icon to start. Choose Add a Card or use Scan Documents to capture an image. Once done, position the card in frame so OCR reads numbers accurately, and make sure lighting is even to avoid recognition errors. This fast start gets you into the creation flow immediately and avoids back and forth fixes later. You now complete the complex middle steps by verifying and editing the captured data. Manually type any digits OCR missed and confirm the cardholder name. Next, choose card type, color, and upload or select issuer logo so the wallet display matches the physical card. Once configured, set authorization via Face or Touch ID, enable Express Mode for quick access, and link the card to relevant apps for passes or transit. These steps ensure proper security and seamless day-to-day use. You finish by accepting terms and completing issuer verification, typically via SMS code or the bank's app, so Wallet trusts the card. Once verified, test with a small payment or a transit tap, make sure Face or Touch ID prompts appear. If something goes wrong, retry the capture with a plain background, update iOS, and reboot the phone before contacting issuer support. Keep the error code and screenshots ready. That speeds diagnosis and resolves most provisioning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.